I feel like, I have a kind of a good reach on the forehand. I know he's going to go there most of the points, but he was kind of mixing really well.
Oh, yeah, he did.
You know, so, yeah, I mean, he's mixing his serve. I mean, I just need to be in a good position. And as you said, you know, when I have a chance, go for, you know, like...
You're doing great. That was a great dig there. Get the break.
I don't think Nadal gives him any butterflies. I think he gives me butterflies. I don't think Nadal gives him any butterflies. I think.
Well, I made pretty good contact with the ball, and the ball made a pretty good contact with his back. So I mean,
well, it was more the bum, yeah.
yeah.
People will always read into these things, like when I had to dive away from Rafa when he was going for the overhead. Now this is going to be maybe a headline where Novak, of course, he tried to injure Roger in the doubles, you know. But I mean, I don't think that it was his intention. I just think he hit it too late, and maybe my bum's too big. I don't know what the thing was.
I just did the physio work, you know.
Yeah,
I felt
exactly.
like his physio told me,
it.
like, you know, that part of his back, it just needs to get manipulated.
Right. Exactly.
I hope we can get a chance to better our, you know, our score together.
It would be sad to leave this planet. It was a 0-1 record, but it is what it is right now.
Yeah. Rafa, like you.
Yeah, lucky Rafa, lucky me. But anyway, yeah, sure, I would be happy to do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
You do not look smooth. You do not look smooth. You do not look smooth.